Today we're going to be working in a Maytag side-by-side refrigerator. The problem that we have with this refrigerator that is not cooling enough on the refrigerator side or is freezing on the refrigerator side. The model number it's on the display. Welcome to DIY Repair Now. Read all the warnings, and during this video you will see one or more of these icons to help you do this repair safe. Now we're gonna go ahead and start by removing these buttons from the freezer control and refrigerator control. When you have a situation whether it's freezing too much or it's cooling too much or is not keeping up with the temperature, 90% of the time is going to be your temperature control thermostat. Now it's really no way to check this temperature control thermostat because it could be working intermittently. So we're going to remove the panel and we're going to check things out visually. Remove the two screws and the back, remove your light bulb to prevent from the light bulb going bad. Now it has two taps on the top that you have to be careful and don't force it down because it can easily break the tabs on your panel. Go ahead and remove your harness from the light bulb. Now we're going to remove this cover. This cover is the one is cover the temperature control thermostat wire and the wire that controls the vent for the freezer. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove those panels to be able to get access to it. Remove your green wire for the ground, and this part will come loose. Now you see this is the tab where I was telling you it has one on each side, and you have to be careful because it snaps in your panel. Now just wiggle this part out. This is the vent. This is where the cold air goes through from the freezer to the refrigerator side. Now remove your wire. Sometimes the piece of vent will not come out. Most of the time I wiggle it out, but this time it doesn't want to come out, and it's made by styrofoam and I don't want to break it, so I'm gonna do this job differently. You have to be careful with this wire. The metal wire is the one is controlling the vent for the cold air coming from the freezer to the refrigerator. Now just try to take it apart. If you have to pause the video and watch it over, just do it a couple times until you get it, until you do it right. I tried to wiggle it out a couple times and didn't want to come out, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the temperature control thermostat from the panel by doing it this way. Now this is the frame that holds the temperature control thermostat and also the freezer control knob. After you got the frame loose from the panel, what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove the wiring. Always take a picture to see how the wiring goes to be able to install the new temperature control thermostat. In this case, it's only two wires that are going to the temperature control thermostat, and it doesn't really matter which one goes to which terminal. Now I remove the whole control with the frame and the freezer control, but this job can be done differently, depends on what is your situation. This is my way of doing it. I work, depends of what is my situation. Now this plastic cover for the temperature control thermostat is not included on the box with the new thermostat, so we're gonna have to remove it from the old temperature control thermostat and install it to the new temperature control thermostat. Now this is our new temperature control thermostat. The part number is right in the bag. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and straighten it up. You have to be very careful. Supposedly this new temperature control thermostat are made by stainless steel, but you still have to be careful how you work with it. The old temperature control thermostat were made out of aluminum, and it was still very good, but supposedly this new temperature control thermostat are better. Now the way I do it, I put a little bit of WD-40 inside of this plastic tube to be able to feed in the wire for the temperature control thermostat. If you don't do it this way, it would not be easy to put this piece in the way I'm doing it on this video. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and input it back in this frame and install the two 1/4 screws. Now we're gonna work our way in the same way we remove it. We always trying to be careful with the all these components. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the two screws that holds the frame from the bottom of the panel. Yes, like so. Now we're gonna go ahead and try to install the harness back where they were. Go ahead and fit all the temperature control thermostat wire like it was before. Always take pictures every time you try to remove anything from the panel or from all those clamps that are holding the wiring and the temperature control thermostat wire. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this piece right where it was for the control. Now as you can see, I didn't pay attention when I screw the frame on the bottom. Now I have to unscrew this piece and adjust it where it should be. Remember, that's the piece that controls this hard wire, and that's the one who opens and closes the vent to allow the cold air that is coming from the freezer to the refrigerator. So it's very important that you put it right where it should be. Now install your harness for your light bulb, and at this point we almost done with the panel section. Make sure nothing is out of place. Connect the wires on the temperature control thermostat, your ground wire, and we're gonna go ahead and snap this panel in place, and we will do the rest afterwards. Go ahead and install your two 1/4 screws that holds the panel. Now you don't have to worry about the panel being in the way to do the rest. Now this wire goes around the styrofoam vent, and you can see how I am putting it back just like it was. Again, try to take a picture before you remove it, because this part that I'm doing right now can be a little confusing when you will put it back in place. Go ahead and install your knobs. In place. Just, turn the knobs one way to another just to make sure it's grabbing the brand new temperature control thermostat. And always try to look for recommendation settings, or look for the number that it will be in the middle to adjust the temperature for the freezer and the refrigerator. Now we're going to go ahead and install the cover for the wiring and the cover for the vent. At this point, I'm trying to do this job by myself. I have my GoPro on my head, so I'm sorry if I don't got those parts and video. But if you keep looking, you will see how they will go back in place. Yes, these two covers, you can see right there, has a Phillips screw, and also the cover for the wires goes with the Phillips screw. At this point, we're pretty much done. Go ahead and screw the panel. Alright guys, if this video helped you in any way, you can show us appreciation by giving us a tip using the following options that you see on the screen. If you cannot provide with a tip, is another way to support this channel by just dropping off a comment in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and turn on the bell to receive notifications. Thanks for watching.